Mohit, you little bitch.
Mohit, I got you.
Here, I'll make sure he's dead. Go, shoot at him, shoot at him. Hey, you better be out, Mohit. Fucking piece of man will fucking kick your ass. No, you won't. You fucking shot me, huh? For a fact, we know you won't.
Hit.
Hey, he got you, fool. You don't call your damn hits. How are we supposed to not shoot at you?
Because I didn't feel it. You hit my backpack probably. I'm wearing a fucking backpack. You can't notice.
Hey, I'm out. I'm sorry.
I only noticed it when someone shot me in the hand. That's what I got right now.
Hey Jason, you can move up.
Got two. Hey, look out, look out. Tone's right there. Tone's out. Dude, Tony. Hey, what you doing? I got you. I saw Chris.
Hey, I got, hey, Brian and Daniel are still in. Brian and Daniel are still in.
Up there.
You didn't get him. I saw.
Oh, wait, no. That was Adam.
Wait, Jason,
Adam, I totally got you.
Yeah, I know. I'm down.
All right.
Alright. Ghillie suit.
Everybody got that face out?
Yeah.
All right.
And we're not lying. Well, except for one guy. Never mind, except for one guy.
Want me to let this? No, just.
No, wait, no.
I was having fun, just hiding.
What the fuck, man? Yes. Who's on me?
Hey, Kyle. Hey, Kyle.
Hey, what the fuck?